Alright, this is a MetaQuest 2 Elite strap with battery, and it stopped working, so I'm going to open it up. Now, you're going to start by sticking a spudger in, or some other pry tool, and pry the black plastic away from the white plastic. Goal here is to get enough space to get something else in there that is a little stronger and you can pry with a bit better. There's some tape inside. Eventually you need something really strong to get in there. And so just keep working your way around. Careful not to put too much pressure in the wrong area. Keep the applied pressure close to where the glue strip is. Keep working at it and it'll come. Alright, you can see there's the sticky tab. There's another bit of tape on the back side of that one. Now this stuff's real sticky, so it's really hard to pull off, so we're just going to leave it there. First we're going to take out this center screw that holds on the adjustment knob. And the knob comes off, and there's a little plastic piece that also comes out. Set those aside. And now we take out all of these little screws. If you look, one of the screw holes is covered by a little piece of white tape. So don't forget to get that one. There's several different sizes of screws, so pay attention to where you take them out. A magnetic bit screwdriver here would be helpful. There's that little piece of white tape covering the last screw there. Now it should just peel apart pretty easily. Back also comes off. Now disconnect that cable and set the rest aside. Now we have the battery and the circuit boards. Just a few screws holding the top circuit board on. It has the charge port on it. And that's held on by just these 4 screws. There's actually quite a bit more circuitry in here than I was expecting. Now you got some test pads on the back. And there you have it. That is the MetaQuest 2 Elite strap with battery disassembled.